Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus once again. Today I've got a 2014 KL Series Jeep Cherokee Sport. As you can see, it's taken a tap on the front there. Got a set of doors here, got a good tailgate, rear bar, no damage on those doors there, mirror, set of wheels, there's a couple of marks on some of the wheels. Mudguard here's got a little graze on the nose. Headlight's got a chip, headlight there. It's a 2.4 MULTIAIR. Yeah, baby. Alright, where's our compliance plate? Got the cloth trim, airbags haven't gone off. Bit of tidy car. 714. There we go. And we'll go around and start her up for you. Kilometres. There we are, 61791 k's. Put the key in and blast off. Automatic 2.4 front wheel drive. There we go, we won't run it for too long. We'll shut that down. Alright, so of course it's here for dismantling, so if you need any Jeep Cherokee parts, any other car parts for that matter, please give the guys at Parts Plus a call on 02 4646 1733 and they'll be only too glad to help you out. Alright, thanks for watching and bye for now.